Hey, it's George from Car Clinic. As you can see, we're dropping a fuel tank made out of plastic, of course, on this Nissan Xterra. The reason we're dropping the fuel tank is because it needs a fuel pump. And your fuel pump is in here, and of course this is your float assembly. And that tells your gas gauge where your car is at. And as you can see, it's a very detailed job. Lots of plastics in the way. Lots of hoses, lots of connectors. Average job like this pays about 3 hours labor. And one of those fuel pump assemblies, which are called modules, they're anywhere from $200 to $400 depending on the car. So whenever you have to have a fuel pump done, don't be shocked at how much it's going to be. This is what you have to do in most cases. So we say like, thank you, and see you soon.